Welcome students. This is our second video class on the first chapter Europe in Transition. In the previous class we studied the importance of Constantinople in the history of world. And also we studied the features of Constantinople and why the people, that is scholars, artists, writers, fled from Constantinople and migrated to Italy. And also we saw these Italian cities furthered thinking and encouraged the spirit of learning among the scholars. This part we will be studying what is Renaissance and how it helped in developing humanism and spirit of inquiry, and also we will study the changes brought in literature. When the scholars, artists and writers migrated to Italy, there was a massive change in the Italian cities in the field of art, literature and history. Earlier, texts were written in Greek and Latin languages as these were considered as elite and scholarly. And later, by the end of 13th century, it gave way to regional languages like English, Spanish and French, which were understood by common people. And the writers of this period adopted the life of common man as their central theme. Similar changes occurred in other art forms like painting and sculpture also. Thus, the vision primarily concerned with the various aspects of human life is known as humanism. The new spirit of humanism led to a new thought on universe and human life, and these changes which occurred in all spheres of human life became visible in Europe is known as Renaissance. So let's see the important changes brought in Renaissance. Petrarch was an important writer. He is considered as the father of Renaissance. His important work is Secretum. Dante, his important work is the Divine Comedy. Cervantes, his important work is Don Quixote. Erasmus, In the Praise of Folly. Students, these are the major Renaissance writers and their works. So students, let's take a review of what we learned today. We learned Renaissance. Renaissance was the change which promoted reasoning and spirit of inquiry, which started in late 13th century in Europe. And also we learned humanism. Humanism was a new thinking primarily concerned with various aspects of human life, and it was a change occurred as a part of Renaissance in Europe. Then we study the major Renaissance writers and their works. So students, I am winding the class for today. You have to read the textbook very thoroughly, understand it and write the notes which is given in this video in your social science notebook.